Can we do it?
Stand in the middle of a large construction site or a vast agricultural field. How much can you really see? Now, imagine seeing the same place from 200 feet above. A drone doesn't just change the height, it changes the perspective. From the air, it can capture patterns, coverage, and site conditions that may not be immediately visible from ground level. Depending on the mission, some drones can also carry specialized payloads, such as high-resolution cameras or thermal imaging sensors. These tools collect different types of visual information based on operational requirements. In infrastructure, they support large area monitoring. In agriculture, they help observe field conditions. For industrial environments, thermal imaging may assist during inspection activities. It's not about seeing what humans can never see. It's about seeing the same environment from a different point of view. One that can support planning, monitoring, and informed decision-making. Organizations such as Garuda Aerospace use different drone platforms depending on the needs of each operation. Because sometimes, changing your perspective changes what you discover.